What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we're making cheesy queso dip. This is so thick and creamy. Let's go ahead and get started. So first I have 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar cheese along with 1 cup of shredded pepper jack cheese. I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. You can use any type of cheese you like. Pepper jack will have a little kick. You want to combine those. This is going to help thicken up our queso. Then I have 1/2 tablespoon of unsalted butter and then 1/3 cup of finely chopped onions and 3 minced garlic cloves. I'm gonna stir and saute these until the onions are translucent and fragrant. And then this is 15.5 ounces of fire roasted tomatoes. You can use fresh tomatoes if you wish. And then 4 ounces of green chilies. And I'm adding in my cheese. It's been sprinkled with the cornstarch. This is 1/4 cup of finely chopped cilantro. I'm giving everything a good stir. Next, I'm going to add in 1 1/4 cup of milk. You can use any type of milk you like. Then this is 1/2 cup of half and half. Then I have 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, and some salt and pepper to taste. So you're going to want to continuously stir this until that cheese melts down. It'll take about 10 minutes for the dip to thicken up. And there you have it, cheesy queso dip.